There's no need to be nervous, Captain. We're just filling some records cabinets in the morale section with these.
I'm not nervous, Comrade Major.
Very well. Interview number 461. Subject, Captain Nikolai Malashenko, service number 2497-4. Interview conducted by Major Lebedev, Section 2, 3rd Directorate KGB. So, Captain, we've been in America for several weeks now. What are your thoughts so far?
Tоварищ Майор, we are making glorious progress. It is very satisfying. The only thing is...
Is what, Captain?
Well, I have yet to see the proletariat rise and stand with us. Instead, they lay ambushes and run when we try to engage them. They've done some damage.
I suppose we must acknowledge that some may not want us here.
Then we must demonstrate our resolve. Men are lost in war. That is to be expected. But the more of these attacks that go unpunished, the more daring they will become.
And you are proposing?
It is simple. For every ambush, we execute 10 random civilians. They will soon cease their attacks when they realize the price they must pay.
And what if they don't?
Then we should kill them all.
In the face of great adversity, our courageous comrades in America fight on, winning battle after battle against an increasingly desperate enemy. Our troops now occupy most of the American West Coast, and soon will have complete victory.
Nobody had counted on the American civilians putting up such resistance. Everywhere we went, we were greeted with bullets. And our battalion had it easy. We had been tasked with pacifying the countryside, while 4 other regiments pushed into the mountains. They were headed toward a town called Cascade Falls, where there was some grand objective not even Colonel Arlovsky knew the details about. All we knew was that it might mean an end to the war. I remember thinking about those comrades, struggling through the cold and the snow, facing death at every turn. And I was ashamed, for I was happy that I wasn't with them.
Comrade Colonel, 14 men dead, 9 wounded. These attacks must be stopped. I strongly suggest
Not now, Kolya. We have already discussed this. The guerrillas will be dealt with according to plan.
But it won't be enough! These are my men lying here!
They are my men too, Captain. Don't ever forget that. Now, will you please get me an updated report on the status of the wounded?
His idea has some merit.
I will not be privy to wholesale slaughter of civilians just so he can satiate his need for revenge.
It might work, though.
Valeri, no. They hate us enough already. We have the location of their camp. That's where we'll strike.
You don't believe in this, do you? You don't think we belong here?
Do you? Romanov, the local guerrilla leader, is present at the camp with a group of regular army officers. The capture of this leader is our mission today. Major Lebedev will be available on the battalion net to advise us on the guerrillas and provide us with additional intelligence.
It is my pleasure to be of service, Comrade Colonel. As far as we know, we are dealing with a relatively small and disorganized group of civilians with light, regular army support. They should not prove difficult to pass it by.
The Insurgents are using the surrounding farms to hide weapons and heavy equipment. Your first objective is to clear the immediate area of all anti-air defenses so that the Air Force can bomb these buildings. You should be aware that we are short on reinforcements, Romanov. The main effort is being put into the drive against Fort Teller. We will have to make do with what we have. Good luck. So-called 1, out.
Just getting to the acknowledge. Sprint to the destination.
Yeah, so-called 1. These guerrillas are heavily armed.
Yes, those vehicles belong to the National Guard. They must have moved into the area quite recently.
Short. That explains the advanced air defenses. We weren't counting on this kind of opposition.
Will you abort?
No, the mission stands. We still have surprise and potential air superiority on our side. But proceed with caution, Romano. Make sure you maximize your fighting potential. Well done, Romano. First kill.
Yes, towards the enemy! Look a grenade now and fire!
Yeah, so-called 1. The farm must be a major arms cache, or they wouldn't have defenses this heavy.
Target. Move to the designated. Sprint to the... We're on the move. Attack the target. The target. Товарищ командир. Target defeat. Our rockets are loaded. Got new orders for us. What now, товарищ командир? We got the target. Building, engage. Where is the... Let's move it. Infantry, engage. Negative. Just give us a target. Hostile destroyed. The building will be ours. A machine gun getting inside the building. Товарищ командир, we're available. We are on the move. We're in the middle. Engaging now. Got the target for us. Товарищ командир, target defeated. Hurrah! Moving out! Moving out! Go! That's impossible. Enemy neutralized. They're taking hits! Move your feet! Get go! Давай! Run quickly! Where do you need our launchers? Heads down and go! Let's move it! Run quickly! Get going! 80 units, infantry heading out. Target the enemy! We can't do that! We got them! Yes! Tank bomb! Go! Move! Fire at will. They're engaging us! Destroy the enemy! Hold on to your launchers! Target the enemy! Hits. Engage now! Target the enemy! Kill them enemy! Tank busters! Infantry! Атакуйте! Run quickly now! But head up! They're taking hits! Stop! We got the target! Get going! Fire as the target! Attack the enemy! Give us some engage the target! They're engaging us! Destroy the enemy! Let's move it! Speed it up now! Give us taking attack the enemy! One of your units. Target killed! They are engaging us! Hostile target killed! Move out to a better... Get going! Speed it up! Move your feet! Got the target! Move your feet! Hostile! Speed it up now! Got new orders for us! They are engaging us! Товарищ командир, we're available. Getting to the position. Acknowledge. Getting to the position. We are on the move. Where do you need us? Going in there now. Infantry, we're on the acknowledge. Fire! But now, товарищ командир. Give us some support here. They're taking casualties. Order. Soldat neutralized. Orders? We are attacks the target. Occupy that building. It is acknowledged. Get inside the building. Move out, double time. Infantry ready for combat. Infantry heading out. Tavarish, get inside the building. Tavarish, enter that building. They're taking hits!
You are losing a lot of men, Romano. You have to be more careful if we are to accomplish this mission with the assets we have available.
AKs, move your Davai! They are engaging us. Get go! Launch those grenades! They killed an enemy! Anti-tank squad available. Enemy neutralized. We defeated an enemy. Товарищ командир, target defeated. Just give us a target. Where do you need us? We are on the move. Move out and pace infantry heading out. Infantry heading out. Rifles are clean and get into the position. Fire some grenades! Let's go!
LGRU estimates were nowhere near this.
Infantry heading
In my experience, they never are, Comrade Colonel. But if we can capture the guerrilla leader and destroy their camp, we will demonstrate to the civilian population that we are strong.
Sprint to the destination.
Yeah, and we will need the leader if we are to locate all the other camps in the area.
They're under fire! Where do you need our launchers? They're engaging us! Hostile target killed! Destroys the enemy! Anti-tank unit available. Target defeated.
Almost done, Romano. Our fighter bombers are standing by.
We destroyed an anti-air unit. Rifle acknowledged. Moving out. Infantry affirmative. Move. The building will sprint to the coordinates. Our rockets are low. Moving out! The building will be ours. Target defeated! Where do you need our launchers? Hostile target killed! We defeated an enemy. The squad is assembled. Infantry ready for combat. Affirmative. Infantry engage. The target. Going in there now. Rifle enter that building. We defeated an enemy. A machine gun is ready. Товарищ командир. Our rockets are low. Moving out. Going to enter the building. We killed an enemy.
Well done, Romano. Our comrades in the Air Force will strike soon. Get out of the area and move to the landing zone. Helicopters have been dispatched to transport you to your next objective.
We are on the move.
So Goal 1 to Malashenko. The area is clear.
Ready for combat.
About bloody time. We are ready to move into position. Malashenko out.
Load those launchers and attack.
Fire!
Target is fire as soon as possible. Let's move. Davai! Move out, double time. Sniper team ready. Infantry, good. Move out, double time. The squad is assembled.
Good. Here come our comrades in the sky. Stay low. Second company will move into blocking positions once the strike has been completed.
This is Serb. Dropping payload.
Говорит Malashenko, we are taking up blocking positions now.
Very well, Captain. Remember the rules of engagement.
I remember, Colonel. Malashenko out.
Hill 48 commands a wide view of the surrounding area. It has to be secured before we attack the main camp. And sending you additional reinforcements, Romano. We need that hill within the hour. Make sure you take good care of your men, Lieutenant. I trust you not to lead them only to death.
Tiger here. We will deliver your requested special.
Sniper team ready. Here, getting to the position. Getting to the position. Hopefully they won't spot us when we've repositioned. Infantry ready. Sprint to the coordinates.
We have some fire support available, Romano. Mainly anti-infantry assets, but they should be useful.
Lieutenant Romano, the National Guard and guerrillas you're fighting all hail from this area. They're defending their own homestead.
So they will fight that much harder, Lieutenant. Count on fierce resistance.
Yes, that is probably an accurate assessment. It will also be hard to sort the non-combatants from the actual fighters.
No distinction should be made. They are all enemies.
If we want your opinion on this matter, we will ask for it, Captain. Until then, you will observe radio discipline. I will not tell you again.
Whatever you say, Colonel. Malashenko out.
The Americans are using an old gas station as a supply depot. Destroy it if you get the opportunity.
Getting to the new sniping position. Engage now!
We're dropping in some airborne for you. Chika out.
Sniper team ready. Move out and face it. Fire. We're under fire! We're fighting the enemy now. On the target! They're taking now, Tavares, fire at the target!
Sokol 1 here. Use your fire support assets to deal with the infantry.
The Americans are moving more light armor into the area. We also have reports of regular army units from the U.S. 4th Armored Cavalry Regiment heading this way.
We are obviously not facing a small, under-equipped guerrilla force, as the GRU would have us believe. I will demand more reinforcements and support assets from Army Command.
Command, target the enemy! They're engaging us! We got the target! Want us somewhere else, Tavares Commander? Give us some... Get go! Get go!
Sokol 1 here. They are falling back. Hold in place, Romanov. I am airlifting some vehicle support to you.
We got the target! Tavares Commander, target defeated.
The Americans are preparing a counterattack against the hill. You must hold, Romanov. I suggest you fortify the hilltop and place your infantry in the woods for protection. Remember that not all approaches can be accessed by vehicles.
Говорит Лебедев, expect an infantry-heavy assault, Lieutenant. They have moved some armored vehicles into the area, but the main battle group has not yet arrived.
I have asked Frontal Aviation for support, but everything we have is being used in the drive against Fort Teller. We can only count on limited air support.
Acknowledge.
Our comrades in the mountains need that support more than we do. All our hopes rest with them.
Yes, we will manage.
Intelligence update. The enemy camp has now been reinforced, and it looks like they're preparing to assault the hill.
Where do you need Tavares Commander?
Focus on securing the hill, Romano. We will deal with the main camp in due time.
Target defeated!
Acknowledge. Delivering airborne infantry. Out.
Rifle squad need orders. Heads down and go. Heads down and go. Specialist need orders right now. Artillery needed. Provide strike on my target.
They are coming at you from all directions, Romano. Watch your perimeter.
We killed an enemy. A machine gun is ready. We defeated an enemy.
Chika here.
Hostile
we dropped off
destroyed.
the Spetsnaz where you requested.
We defeated an enemy. For Mother Russia. Infantry good to go. Where do you want us to take? Affirmative. Infantry heading out. We're on the move. Move. Sprint to the destination. Tavares Commander. Airborne. Infantry. Move. Acknowledged. Where do you need us? We're doing our duty. We are on the move. Move. Move out and pace it up. But now, Tavares Commander. Get going! Speed it up now!
Light armor ready for combat.
We killed an enemy!
Affirmative. Affirmative. Dropping airborne troops at the coordinates.
We got the target! Attack the enemy! Destroy the enemy!
Enemy destroyed.
Our rockets are loaded. We're in the middle. Get going! Hold on to your target. Kill! Speed it up now! We killed an
What should
enemy!
we do? Launching 84.
Target
Hostile,
defeated.
hostile.
We killed an enemy! We got the target! Destroyed the enemy! Hostiles are closing in. We need orders. You lost a unit. We got the target!
This is
Tavares, we will
Chaika.
try. We got the
Airborne
target!
deployed at the
Move out!
coordinate you
Double
provide.
We got the target! Give us some support here!
Lebedev here. The Americans seem fond of using the forest for cover.
Not for much longer. The Air Force has agreed to fly another sortie with napalm. They will be here soon.
Right now. Artillery requested. They're providing coordinates. We're in the middle of something.
This is Serb. We are inbound at this time. Walking to target coordinates.
Got a machine gun.
Sokol 1 to Romano. Make sure your people are clear of the forests.
We killed an enemy.
Serb here. Payload delivery initiated.
I say again, Romanov. Clear the forest.
Hostile target killed. Hostile target killed. Ready.
We're dropping in some airborne for you. Chaika out.
The target is defeated.
For Mother Rush. Affirmative. Acknowledged. Sprint to the infantry heading out.
Sokol 1 here. You make me proud, Romanov.
Fighting the enemy here. Orders?
Enemy destroyed.
We now have the perfect opportunity to start the attack on the main camp. Captain Malashenko and 2nd Company will continue to act as a blocking force and prevent escape in that direction. Romanov, launch the assault. Secure that camp and get me the guerrilla leader. I have sent you further reinforcements and you now have access to vehicle support as well.
Target now. They're taking hits. Spetsnaz initiating an attack. Moving out. Go! Go!
You got casualties.
Strike mission received.
Tavares affirmative. Infantry heading out. We're getting to the position. Here, affirmative. Move. Infantry ready for infantry heading out. Verdu acknowledged. Moving out.
Excellent, Lieutenant. That will be a sore blow against the insurgents.
Move out and stay. Acknowledge. Move. Move out and pace it up.
Yes, Tavarishka, we're moving out now. Medium armor, need a command. Armor moving out.
Where do you need us?
Armor
Tavares
available
Commandeer,
for battle.
we're ready. We're moving to the location now. Infantry ready for com. We're on the move. Acknowledged. Moving out.
Arm out driving. Roll out.
For getting to the position.
Armor out. Move.
Hostile infantry killed. We're doing our duty. Get going,
Give
Marshal!
us moving to the destination.
Tavares, let's move it!
Give us armor rolling. Load an anti-personnel round. Lock and fire. PT-76 available. Tak точно. Mission log 84 at the target. Tоварищ командир, engage. Hostile engaged. Firing the front. Oops, armor, yes.
We're under fire! Get going! Speed it up! Get the move!
Eliminate.
We're getting to the position. Move out and pace it up.
Medium heading out now.
Your command, Tavares moving out! Get castle!
Tоварищ armor, get rolled an anti-personnel round.
What now, Tavares Commander? Artillery is moving to castle! Artillery needed as our provided coordinates. Artillery needed. Artillery requested. They're providing coordinates. Artillery
Your units.
They're engaging us.
Medium armor. Ready, lock in.
Target vehicle destroyed. Give us some support now. Get your gear together and go. Come on, moving out. Davai.
What should we lock in? Neutralize the enemy. Medium armor is attacking now.
They're taking hits. Kill an enemy.
Affirmative. Heading for the
They're under
strike
fire.
zone. Are you allowed?
They're engaging us.
Unit lost.
Target defeated. There is a get go. Run quickly. Let's go. They are engaging us. Kill an enemy.
Affirmative. Anti-tank strike is inbound. Out.
They're under fire. Got new orders for us.
Unit lost.
Give us some support.
Lebedev not dead. The Air Force reports that American reinforcements are close. They're sending amphibious transports up the river.
Sokol 1 here. You are making good progress, Roman. Get your troops into that camp and secure it before those reinforcements arrive.
Heads down. Go. Rubius Castle. Speed it up.
Marchenko here. My men can move across the river and support Romanov.
Not yet, Captain. You will be needed for the final push. I don't want to risk any Americans slipping through the net by having you attacking now.
But we have probably missed some already. All they have to do is to hide their rifles, pull on the civilian jacket, and walk away.
I will not authorize your plan. I will say no more on this matter. Sokol 1, out.
We got the target. Incoming fire. Watch out.
Give us some. Move your feet. Get going.
Meet arm rolling.
Sokol 1 here. The camp has been secured. Hold in place and fight off any counterattacks. Now, you just need to find the guerrilla leader.
Medium. Yes, move.
Говорит Lebedev. A large contingent of regular army troops is now moving into the area.
Expect a heavy counterattack, Lieutenant. Several heavy artillery batteries are on call. I'm giving you fire support priority.
We can scout trench. Rolling, Tavarish. Rolling, Tavarish. Moving out. Quickly.
Armor moving out. We're moving out now. Our tracks are steady. Armor moving
Infantry
out.
good to go.
The engine is good. We're going to commencing repairs, Tavarish Commander. Airborne infantry delivered. Out. General Purple repairing our comrades now. We're going to patch him up.
We're under fire. We're taking heat. We got the target.
Lebedev here. The insurgent leader has been found. He is wounded, but alive.
Excellent. I'm sending in a helicopter to bring the prisoner out. You must defend until he is safely away, Romanov. Sokol 1 to Maloshenko. Now is the time. Move across the bridge toward the camp.
Maloshenko here. It's too late. Enemy tanks are blocking my advance and I see people moving on the bridge. It looks like they are preparing it for destruction.
Romanov, it falls on you to stop them. The bridge must stay intact if Captain Maloshenko is to aid you in defense of the camp. Otherwise, he will be forced to take the long way around.
Affirmative. Heavy artillery strike.
Just affirmative. Move out. Infantry heading out. Getting to the position. Affirmative. Moving.
Target is defeated.
They are engaging us. Target
Target
defeated.
area has been destroyed. Out. We're getting
Set up that machine gun. They are engaging us. Infantry. Move your guns. Grenade. They're taking heat. Move it. And don't trip on your right. Let's move it. They're taking heat. We killed an enemy. They're under fire.
Watching here. Going to
Target defeated.
Over.
Rifle squad need orders. They are engaging us. Destroyed the enemy. They're under fire. Moving target the enemy.
Light mission accomplished. The enemy got hit. Out.
Destroys the enemy. They're moving out.
Get to move. This is Maloshenko. The bridge is clear. Moving across now.
We got the target.
Closing in on the
Kill an
designated
enemy.
strike zone. Could be any
I
second.
saw target killed.
Artillery strike is inbound. Avoid the strike area. Out.
We got the target. Tavarish Commander. Target is defeated.
Destroys the enemy.
Target area clear.
Enemy neutralized. Hostile destroyed.
Transport is ready to drive.
They are engaging us!
Neutralize the enemy.
They are engaging us!
Got casualties.
What shall we do? Engage the enemy.
Destroy the enemy! Engaging us! Hostile!
My troops are in place at the camp.
Understood, Captain. Find good defensive positions and hold.
They're under fire!
Road is in the air.
They're under fire! Target defeated!
Over.
They're under fire! We got the target!
Fire is confirmed.
Hostile target killed! They're engaging us! We got the target! They're engaging us!
Sokol 1 here. The helicopter is not far out. We only have to hold for a little while longer.
Artillery strike completed. Hostile kills confirmed. All talk tower.
Tоварищ командир, we got the target.
Acknowledged. Publish pushback. Watching out.
We got the target!
Affirmative. Anti-tank strike is inbound. Out.
Destroy the enemy!
SSR completed.
Destroy the enemy!
Watching out.
They are engaging us! We got the target!
SSR with a total failure.
They're under
Watching
fire! The
out.
enemy!
Ariel is inbound with cluster orders.
They're taking
Stay
heat.
clear. Over.
Enemy killed, товарищ командир.
Target defeated!
Ariel here. Payload dropped right on top of the enemy. Heading back.
They've got one of your
units.
Affirmative. Heavy artillery strike fire. All talk tower.
They're under fire!
We destroyed that
They're under fire!
Repair shop.
eliminated.
Hostiles from the target area have been destroyed. Out.
Target defeated!
Enemy destroyed.
Hostile target killed!
Strike mission received.
They're
Cluster
taking
bombs
heat.
are armed. Out. Ariel is inbound with
got the
cluster
target.
orders. Stay clear. Over.
Destroyed the enemy! We're taking hits! We killed an enemy! We got the target! Throw that machine gun!
Our ammunition was wasted on nothing. Ariel out. I can't confirm any casualties. Check the coordinates. Over. Watching here.
Destroyed the
We're going
enemy!
to hunt for
They're
hostiles.
Yeah,
engaging!
Sokol 1. The helicopter is moving in now. Have the guerrilla leader ready for transport.
This is Troika. I don't want to loiter here too long. He's crawling with enemies down there.
Getting low on fuel.
Sokol 1 to Troika. You can leave as soon as the prisoner has been brought aboard.
Understood, Sokol 1. Just be quick about it. Troika out.
Sokol 1 to Malashenko. Come in, Captain.
Comrade Colonel, the captain is unavailable at this time.
What? Where is he?
Comrade Colonel, he went to investigate suspected insurgent activity at a farm nearby.
What?
This is Troika. We are ready to leave.
You are free to leave, Troika. I have a captain to find.
Ammunition was wasted on nothing. Ariel out.
We got the target! They're taking...
Didn't you hear me? They came and fired! But Comrade Captain, the Colonel forbade us... There! А ну-ка отойди! Next time, your people will think twice before attacking us.
What is the meaning of this? Get them out of here. Explain yourself, Captain.
They were harboring weapons and food for the insurgents.
I gave explicit orders that there should be no firing squads.
They were aiding the enemy.
That is irrelevant, Captain. You do not have the right to disobey my orders.
But what if your orders are wrong?
If you act without my consent again, I will have you court-martialed and sent home in shame. Is that understood? Is that understood, Nikolai?
No, Colonel. It's not.
What? You think I'm wrong?
It does not matter what I think, does it, Vladimir Vasilievich? For good or ill, you have chosen your course.
But have you chosen yours, Valery? Sooner or later you will have to.